Looking to upgrade your kitchen without breaking the bank? In today's video, we're revealing 20 affordable kitchen gadgets on Amazon that feel premium. From futuristic tools that make cooking effortless to clever gadgets you didn't know you needed, these picks will totally transform your kitchen game. Stick around till the end because some of these gems will make you wonder how you ever cooked without them. Number 1. Fullstar Pro Chopper 4-in-1. The Fullstar Pro Chopper 4-in-1 is a versatile kitchen gadget that combines a chopper, slicer, dicer, and spiralizer in one compact unit, making meal prep faster and cleaner. Its sharp blades handle vegetables, fruits, and nuts with ease, while the container catches everything neatly, reducing counter mess. Durable and easy to assemble, clean, and store, it saves time whether chopping onions for stir-fry or slicing cucumbers for salads. Affordable yet premium feeling, it's a must-have for anyone wanting to upgrade their kitchen tools. Number 2. OXO Avocado Slicer 3-in-1. The OXO Avocado Slicer 3-in-1 makes avocado prep effortless with a pitter, slicer, and scooper in one ergonomic tool. Its soft, non-slip handle ensures comfort and control, even with the ripest fruit, while reducing mess and waste. Compact and durable, it fits easily in drawers and withstands daily use. Perfect for salads, smoothies, or toast, this slicer speeds up prep time and keeps your hands safe. Affordable yet high quality, it's an essential tool for avocado lovers looking for convenience and style. Number 3. Kitchen Gizmo Snap Strainer. The Kitchen Gizmo Snap Strainer is a clever collapsible silicone strainer that snaps onto pots and pans for easy draining without transferring food. Its heat-resistant material handles boiling water safely, and the foldable design saves storage space, making it perfect for small kitchens. Durable and dishwasher safe, it won't warp over time, while the bright silicone adds a pop of premium-looking color. Ideal for pasta, vegetables, or boiled eggs, this strainer combines functionality, convenience, and style in one compact, practical gadget. Number 4. Thermopro Digital Meat Thermometer. The Thermopro Digital Meat Thermometer delivers accurate, instant readings, making perfectly cooked meat easy every time. Waterproof and easy to clean. And it features a backlit display for low-light reading and a calibration function for long-term accuracy. Compact yet durable, its probe withstands daily use, while the professional-level precision ensures restaurant-quality results at home. Perfect for grilling, baking, or slow cooking, this thermometer combines accuracy, convenience, and a user-friendly design. Affordable and reliable, it's an essential tool for home cooks who value perfect results. Number 5. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker takes the guesswork out of eggs, cooking up to 6 at once in hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled styles. Its automatic shutoff prevents overcooking, and the included measuring cup ensures precise water-to-egg ratios. Compact, colorful, and easy to clean, it saves time while adding style to your kitchen. Ideal for quick breakfast or meal prep, this egg cooker combines efficiency, durability, and convenience. Affordable yet premium feeling, it's a must-have gadget for anyone who wants stress-free mornings. Number 6. Microplane Zester Grater. The Microplane Zester Grater is a precision tool for zesting citrus, grating cheese, or shredding ginger with minimal effort. Its razor-sharp stainless steel blades and ergonomic handle provide comfort and efficiency during extended use. Sleek, durable, and easy to clean, this grater adds a professional touch to any kitchen. Perfect for enhancing flavors and presentation, it's a small gadget that delivers big results. Affordable yet high quality, the Microplane Zester Grater combines precision, convenience, and style, making it an indispensable tool for anyone who enjoys cooking with fresh ingredients. Number 7. Zulay Silicone Spoon Rest. The Zulay Silicone Spoon Rest keeps countertops clean while holding spoons, spatulas, or ladles during cooking. Heat-resistant and flexible, it protects surfaces from spills and stains, while the non-slip base ensures stability. Its vibrant colors and premium look brighten kitchens, and the easy-to-clean silicone makes maintenance effortless. Compact and versatile, it can be stored in drawers or hung for display. Affordable yet practical, this spoon rest combines convenience, durability, and style, making it a simple but high-end addition for anyone who wants a cleaner, more organized cooking space. Number 8. Upgrade Meat Chopper Masher. The Upgrade Meat Chopper Masher is a durable, multi-purpose kitchen tool perfect for chopping, mashing, and mixing meats, vegetables, or potatoes. Its ergonomic handle reduces hand strain, while the stainless steel construction ensures longevity and easy cleaning. Ideal for meal prep and everyday cooking, it saves time and effort without compromising on performance. Affordable yet premium feeling, this versatile gadget enhances your cooking efficiency and adds convenience to the kitchen. For anyone looking for a practical, high-quality tool, the Upgrade Meat Chopper Masher is a must-have addition to your culinary arsenal. Number 9. Bamboo Spice Rack Organizer. The Bamboo Spice Rack Organizer is an eco-friendly, stylish way to store and display spices. Made from durable bamboo, it provides a modern, natural look while keeping your kitchen organized. Its compact, tiered design makes it easy to access all spices at a glance, fitting comfortably on countertops or in cabinets. Sleek and minimalist, it adds a premium feel without the high price. Perfect for decluttering and elevating your cooking space, this spice rack combines functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal, making it a practical and elegant addition to any kitchen. Number 10. OXO Swivel Vegetable Peeler. The OXO Swivel Vegetable Peeler features a sharp stainless steel swivel blade that adapts to any vegetable, making peeling effortless and precise. Its comfortable non-slip handle ensures safety even with wet hands, while the durable construction guarantees long-term use. Compact and easy to store, it's ideal for potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more. Combining efficiency, convenience, and a sleek design, this affordable peeler feels high-end in daily use. For anyone seeking a reliable, professional quality tool that simplifies kitchen prep, the OXO Swivel Vegetable Peeler is an essential gadget. Number 11. Dai Oro Silicone Spatula. Set the Dai Oro Silicone Spatula set is a versatile addition to any kitchen, featuring heat-resistant, flexible spatulas, perfect for mixing, folding, scraping, or spreading. The ergonomic handles provide comfort and control, while the durable silicone resists staining, odor, and warping. Ideal for baking, cooking, or non-stick cookware, these spatulas combine practicality with a sleek, premium look. Compact and easy to clean, they fit neatly in drawers or utensil holders. Affordable yet high quality, this set ensures efficiency and style in the kitchen, making meal prep smoother and more enjoyable. Ice number 12. Talented Kitchen Magnetic Spice Jars. The Talented Kitchen Magnetic Spice Jars offer a modern and organized way to store your favorite spices. Each jar features a strong magnet, allowing attachment to metal surfaces like refrigerators or shelves, saving countertop space. The airtight lids keep spices fresh, while the clear containers make it easy to identify contents at a glance. Durable, stylish, and compact, these jars feel premium without the price tag. Perfect for decluttering and enhancing kitchen aesthetics, this set is ideal for home cooks who want a neat, functional, and visually appealing spice organization solution. Number 13. Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoons. The Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoons combine accuracy and convenience in a sleek, space-saving design. And each spoon features strong magnets to keep sets together, preventing loss and clutter. Made from durable stainless steel, they resist rust and provide precise measurements for cooking and baking. The ergonomic handles ensure comfortable use, while the stylish, polished finish adds a premium feel. Compact and easy to store, they are perfect for small kitchens or busy cooks. Affordable yet high quality, these magnetic measuring spoons make measuring ingredients faster, safer, and more enjoyable. Number 14. Umite Chef Silicone Utensil Set. The Umite Chef Silicone Utensil Set is a complete collection of heat-resistant, flexible tools perfect for all cooking and baking needs. Each utensil features a comfortable handle and durable silicone head that won't scratch non-stick cookware. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, the set provides long-lasting performance while looking sleek and professional. Ideal for stirring, flipping, and serving. These utensils feel premium despite their affordable price. Perfect for home chefs who want a stylish, versatile, and practical set, the Umite Chef Silicone Utensil Set streamlines kitchen tasks with convenience and durability. Number 15. Glass Olive Oil Dispenser Set. The Glass Olive Oil Dispenser Set is a practical and stylish solution for storing and pouring oils, vinegar, or dressings. Each bottle features a precise spout for controlled pouring, minimizing spills and waste. Made from durable, clear glass with a sleek design, they add elegance to countertops or dining tables. Easy to clean and refill, these dispensers combine functionality with a premium feel. Affordable yet high quality, and this set is ideal for home cooks and entertainers looking to enhance both convenience and presentation in the kitchen or at the table. Number 16. Kitchenaid Cordless Hand Mixer. The Kitchenaid Cordless Hand Mixer makes mixing and whipping effortless with powerful, battery-operated performance. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control, while multiple speed settings adapt to different recipes. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to maneuver and store, yet strong enough to handle batters, doughs, and creams. Durable and stylish, this mixer delivers a premium feel without taking up countertop space. Perfect for bakers and busy cooks, the Kitchenaid Cordless Hand Mixer combines convenience, efficiency, and professional-level performance in an affordable, must-have kitchen gadget. Number 17. Zulay Milk Frother Wand. The Zulay Milk Frother Wand quickly creates creamy, frothy milk for lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolate. Its compact, handheld design allows easy operation and control, while the stainless steel whisk ensures durability. Battery-powered and lightweight, it's portable and perfect for home or travel use. Simple to clean and effortless to use, it transforms ordinary drinks into cafe-style beverages. Number 18. Yarramate Oil Sprayer Bottle. The Yarramate Oil Sprayer Bottle offers a healthy, controlled way to apply cooking oils, vinegars, or dressings. Its fine mist spray ensures even coverage with minimal waste, while the durable BPA-free design withstands daily use. The clear bottle makes it easy to monitor contents, and the ergonomic pump provides comfort during use. Compact and refillable, it's perfect for stovetop cooking, salads, or grilling. Number 19. Qimh Collapsible Cutting Board. The Qimh Collapsible Cutting Board is a space-saving kitchen essential, featuring a foldable design that makes transferring chopped food easy. Made from durable BPA-free materials, it resists stains and odors while remaining lightweight. Its non-slip base ensures stability during prep, and the vibrant, modern design adds a premium look, ideal for small kitchens or busy cooks. It combines convenience, practicality, and easy cleaning. Number 20. Hotec Silicone Basting Brush Set. The Hotec Silicone Basting Brush Set is perfect for grilling, baking, or cooking with sauces, oils, and marinades. Heat-resistant and durable, the silicone bristles provide even coverage without shedding or absorbing odors. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, while the dishwasher-safe design makes cleaning effortless. Compact and versatile, this brush set adds a premium touch to everyday cooking. And that's a wrap on 20 affordable kitchen gadgets on Amazon that feel premium. These tools prove you don't need to spend a fortune to upgrade your kitchen. Which gadget will you be trying first?